Hey, this is bmxkid643. It's an updated bike check. I got a few parts today, and a couple parts painted, as you probably tell. Got my bars painted, forks as well. I cut off the flanges on my grips. I like those a lot. The parts I got today are DK Social. Cranks, and I got my own custom rim. I got a Demolition Zero rim, Primo spokes, and the Primo mix cassette hub. Love the Primo mix cassette hub. I'll show you how loud it is right now. It's wicked loud. I love it. I don't even think it's broken in. Oh yeah, I'm brakeless now. No more brakes. Thank God. That's about it. Oh yeah, and DK Social baby kit. That's it. Hope you like my updated bike check.